it depends again on what their consultations with their districts will say. Yung mga problema dyan, siyempre in Mindanao, nahirapan yung aming mga miyembro kasi when they ask around, everybody says no. I mean, that's just the fact of the matter. They will call their barangays and everybody is saying no. And never mind daw kung, tuyuan sila ng projects. They don't care if, they are made to suffer over the next 2 years. They just really cannot accept the impeachment of their vice president. In other areas, as you know, the Iglesia ni Cristo has a very strong position about this matter, and it continues to be there. There are many districts where there's a very high percentage of voters from that church. No, so they of course have an important voice also in their districts. Of the 30, more than 30 that are already voting yes, I would say at least half of those are going to be seriously affected in the next election if they continue to vote yes. So I think it's a tribute to their firmness, their steadfastness of purpose that they continue to say yes, no, in spite of warnings, no, from their constituents who belong to that church about what will happen if they vote that way. So